Hi, I'm Tim. I'm from Transporter Works Garage. We're based in Leicestershire, but we cover the country nationwide. Today we're here at Stoneleigh Park with our two Transporter T6.1 camper vans. This one over here we've got is a T6.1. It's finished in Ravenna blue. This is a 73 registered T6.1 7-speed DSG automatic with just 180 miles on the clock. So if we head inside, this one has got the Recaro style drivers and passenger swivel seats, both being reupholstered, which matches in nicely with the rib bed in the back. It's fitted with the Skyline Scenic canvas roof, which also has the bifold roof, which enables you to be able to stand up fully in the back without bumping your head. All of our vans are fitted with night heaters. We put top of the range Dometic fridge, freezer and a hob and sink unit. We do an awful lot of work to the exterior of the van as well to make them more aesthetically pleasing. So all of our vans are fitted with eye-back springs to lower them slightly. We put a nice 20-inch alloy wheel with a good quality Uniroyal tyre. Round at the front of the van, we change all of the plastics on the front for gloss black finish, and we fit an e-grill to the front of the van for your electric hookup. The only specification we deal with is our Highline vans, simply because they've got everything on them as standard. So items such as heated front screen, auto headlights, auto wipers, they're all standard on the Highline van. In addition to this, we also fit a 150 watt solar panel, which is linked into a 110 amp per hour AGM leisure battery via a split charger, and also the electric hookup that will maintain the battery life without you having to do anything. So if you'd like more information about any of our vans, you can visit us online. We're at transporterworksgarage.co.uk, or we're actually on display this year at the Harrogate Warner Motorhome and Campervan Show in March of this year. So we'd love to see you.